DLRs, hey, what's going on? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking pallets today, plastic pallets specifically. And about a year ago, we purchased brand new plastic pallets. And this is an update. Basically, how did they perform? What do they look like? And do we still like them? Let's take a look. DLRs, we are outside and here is our wood stack. And we just put the wood on the 5 plastic pallets about a month ago. In other words, this is a 1-month update. And the pallets themselves continue to hold the weight, and 2,000 pounds per pallet. We've got 5 of them, so if equally distributed, these 5 pallets should be able to hold 10,000 pounds. That's a lot. And as far as the plastic pallets, a close-up view. And again, down below in the comments and description is a link on where to purchase a few different options of plastic pallets. And coming inside here, they are a little dirty as it rains, but that's okay. Not sure if that will be any help to you. However, the overall strength of the plastic pallets is extremely impressive. And directing our attention to all of these little holes throughout the top braces along all 5 pallets, not one of them has caved in, cracked, or shown any signs of damage. That's impressive. And that's a lot of weight. A lot of weight. So again, over the next year or so, maybe longer, we are going to continue to give you updates on how the plastic pallets perform and last throughout the year and seasons and weather changes. DLRs, we are back with you with a 4-month update, and the temperature is changing. The color of the leaves on the trees are changing. They're falling. It is fall time, and the overall condition of the plastic pallet's still good. No signs of any stress. DLRs, we have made our way to the winter. As you can see, it is freezing cold. There's snow and more snow to come. However, so far so good. Again, no real cracks. And I inspected it a couple days ago. Let's go all the way down to the bottom. We can see more of the bottom portion of the pallet. And so far so good again. No signs of cracking, warping. But it's early. We've got a lot of temperature changes ahead of us. We are back with you with another update, and it is raining hard and the snow is melting and still performing well. And the cool thing is the bottom pallets are fully submerged, as you can see. Check that out. Fully submerged. Ooh, that's very cold. Very cold. And that will play a significant role in the overall performance as it warms up and that water absorbs into the ground and or freezes tonight. Making our way to the opposite end. Not as submerged, but this side is definitely submerged. And again, still thousands of pounds of wood on these pallets. And they continue to perform well. DLRs, it is now the next morning, and no joke, it is frozen out here. And I can probably step on it. I'm going to be very careful. Check that out. And if I come in here, again, it is fully submerged. Look at that. So we are going to give you a very good review and honest review, because again, we are putting these plastic pallets through all weather phenomenon and abuse. Back with you, it is now the next day and still solid ice underneath here. I'm just going to be careful as I walk close here. And it snowed. So again, we are putting these pallets through the ringer. Back with you, winter and spring have come and gone, and we have mowed the grass already, and so far so good. The reliability and strength of the plastic pallets holding up great. And I'm going to be string trimming here in a few days and clean all of this up. A little dirty, but that's okay. We're back with you with our final update. It is the end of the summer, almost September, and the pallets themselves, absolutely no signs of warping, cracks, damage at all, really, nothing. They have performed through a good amount of abuse, as again, you saw. And I know this video could have been maybe 1 minute of me just saying, hey, they work great, but I wanted to show you actual proof and show you the actual weather conditions we put them through. Again, no signs of damage whatsoever. They are holding up to the challenge. And again, that's a lot of weight. Thanks again for watching.